Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have my sister Terry with me today.
Hello.
Her channels include Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, and she also has Jewelry Making with Tapping Flamingo. So please make sure you check out her channels. But today we're here to talk about Virtual Blythe Retreat 2026.
Woohoo.
Yes. So this is the official announcement that it is a go. We are well into the planning stages where we're putting things together. We still have a lot of work to do between filming this now. We're filming this in um, kind of early January, and I'll have to edit it and all that good stuff. So it might be almost mid-January by the time I do that and publish this. But that means the next few months we will be very busy putting together the workshops and getting together with all the information that we need for you. So you'll be seeing lots more videos about this, right, Terry?
Oh, yeah, that's
So
for sure.
yeah, so both on this channel as well as for Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, we will be yapping about it. Also social media, Instagram, Facebook, that kind of thing, TikTok. You will see us talking and talking and talking about it because we have learned over the years, this is our fifth annual event, that we really have to keep talking about it or just, we can't tell you how many people tell us things like, we didn't know you had a retreat.
After thought we blabbed about it so much,
Yeah,
you
we
know,
always feel like we overdo it, and it's like you just cannot talk about it enough because not everybody sees your videos. You think they do, but they don't, right?
right, yeah.
So, with that said, let's talk about the win. All right. So, get your calendars out. If you put it on your phone, get your phone app out. If you have a hard copy like old ladies like me,
Bend me.
okay, pull it out, flip over to June. Okay, flip over to June and mark on there June 5th, 6th, and 7th. Okay,
Yes.
5th, 6th,
Fifth,
and 5th
sixth,
and
seventh.
7th. Yes, 5th, 6th, and 7th of June. This will run on the Friday, the Saturday, and then Sunday. And then Sunday late afternoon is when we start wrapping things up. And, we've got all kinds of activities and things. And that's when we announce the prizes.
Yes, and there are prizes.
There
So,
are. In fact, in a little while, we will tell you the grand prize, which is super, super cool. Okay. So, all right. So that is the win. All right. The where. The where, as usual, is going to be on a specific Facebook group that we will create specifically for the retreat. All right. So, do you want to tell them a little bit about how that works, Terry? Like, how do they get to the Facebook group and all this kind of stuff?
so we're going to have passes available in Tammy's Etsy shop. And along with the pass, you'll get a pattern of something that will be one of the workshops.
Mhm.
And so once you purchase your pass, then you get instructions on how to go over to the special Facebook group and you ask to join, we let you in, and there you are.
Right.
So,
So it's a private group, it's not public. There's a minimal fee. It will be again $15 in the past. We've been charging $15 for the passes. Keep in mind that Terry and I also have to pay a ridiculous fee to Etsy. And if
yes.
anybody out there, all those naysayers, inevitably somebody's going to comment and say, "You're not allowed to sell that kind of stuff on Etsy." Yes, we can because it's not just a pass, as Terry mentioned, it always includes at least one pattern. Okay, so I always do at least one sewing project, or last time it was crochet. In fact, I think it was sewing and crochet. There was two patterns. So there was
Yeah,
a
there were two
crochet.
things. Yeah.
Right. So there was a crochet pattern and there was a sewing pattern. So there's always at least one pattern of some kind written down on the pass. So the pass is more than just a pass. We call it a pass, but it includes at least one pattern for one of the numerous workshops that we do during that weekend. All right. And then we also have goodie bags. Those will also be available, and they're not required for anybody to buy a goodie bag in order to be go to the retreat. But those are an additional, like an add-on
Right.
thing if you want to add it on. So typically the goodie bags have swag. Like we always have little T-shirts now.
Which we're working on that.
Yes, we're working on the T-shirt designs this time. And so there's usually a little t-shirt, a couple of wearable items. We have it like the t-shirt, maybe one other wearable thing or something like that, but at least one wearable item, which is the t-shirt.
Hmm.
And then maybe a prop or two related to it, and then to the theme that we have. And sometimes some supplies,
Right.
especially
Not all the supplies, but
not
some of them.
all, but
Yes.
some
Yeah.
supplies. So that said, we also at that time at the same time that the goodie bags and the passes become available in my Kawaii doll shop, which is typically 6 weeks before the event starts. We also include a list of supplies. So
Right.
when you buy your pass and you ask to join, and then we let you in, there's a file section there that will have the supplies list for you. So, so a lot of times people, if you don't want any swag and if you're like me and you and Terry too, we have a lot of crafting supplies. So, somebody who already has a lot of stuff, you may not want the goodie bag, but it's fun to have.
And then again, you might want the goodie bag. I mean, because
Exactly.
it does go with the theme.
Yes. And I guess with that, let's see. Yeah, that's not, I've got a list. I'll make sure I cover everything. I guess we can tell them what the theme is, Terry.
Yeah. Now,
Go for it.
speaking of theme,
Mhm.
this is the first year we're actually announcing it this early.
Yes, that is a good point. In the past, we have waited because for various reasons, one of which we have a number of reasons, but one of which was we wanted the flexibility to change at the last minute because one year we had to do that.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
had an issue with something.
Yeah, something
And
unexpected happened, and we realized,
yeah,
wow, we cannot do that theme now. And thank goodness we hadn't told people. But this is we're far enough into it. We're locked in here. So,
yeah.
so this is it is we're doing it. All right. So, Terry, do you want to tell them the theme now?
Dance like nobody's watching.
I should play music now. Do do
I
do
know.
do 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 do
I
do.
am so excited about this.
Yes, dance like nobody's watching. So, Terry and I are ex-dancers. Well, she's not an ex-dancer. She
I'm
dances all
not
the
an
time
ex. I'm
now.
still dancing, maybe dancing with old people, but I'm
Yeah.
still dancing.
She's still dancing. I dance, I do dance like nobody's watching because I do it at home and nobody is watching. So anyway, we are as kids we danced a lot. As young people we danced a lot. She actually still dances a lot. She's in two dance groups right now. And so we just thought it'd be a really fun theme, because it's, I don't know, everybody likes to dance, right? Even if like we're
Right.
dancing in our chairs right now.
Well, it's like earlier, right before I came here, my grandkids are in the other room and their mom was making them a smoothie and it was going new, 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 new. So guess what I was doing? I was dancing to the smoothie machine.
So, as you can imagine, we have all kinds of ideas related to the theme of dance. And but our tagline is dance like nobody's watching. And just in general, the idea is dance. That's the connection to the theme is dance. So yeah, that's a big deal. We are announcing it way, way early.
So
So
basically, what we're going to be doing is taking our dolls. I mean, got lots of dolls
yeah.
here. You can pick one, two, three, how many ever you want to pick, and we're going to turn them into dancers. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of different types of dance.
Right, right. And
We
that's
got,
something this time around we did that a little bit last year where we included some extra content related to the theme, which was our character back then was the internet influencer. And if you were there with us last year, we had Casey, what's her last name?
Casey Cromwell. She is the celiac, college celiac. She has celiacs, and she has on all her social media big time give awareness on
Right,
celiac disease.
right. And she so she,
And I
and she's a
interviewed her.
professional influencer.
That's what she does for a living.
Right,
She makes pretty good
right.
money doing it, actually.
Yes, yes,
Wish
she
I
does.
could do that.
I know. So she actually, we had an interview with her, and we had a lot of other content related to the idea of internet influencers, which was, our character. Now our character is a dancer, and so we will also have additional content related to that beyond the activities that we have throughout the weekend, as well as the workshops.
Right.
All right. So speaking of workshops. Um, Terry and I typically have been doing all the workshops ourselves, running them, designing them, etc. Last year, we had our first group of guest artists who joined us. And this year, we're doing the same thing. We have additional guest artists. We actually, right now, we're in the talks with four different guest artists who are going to somehow participate in some way with us. And we will give you more details about that. There are lots more
Once we get
details are
that
coming.
solidified, yeah.
Yes, yeah, we're locking that in. So we're this close to locking those guys in. So, and when we do, you guys are going to love it. Last year, our guest artists, it was just wonderful to have the additional people helping us out and sharing their knowledge about dolls and customizing and doll art.
And
It was
photography.
photography of the dolls, yeah, all the things that connect to Blythe, right? And then finally, I guess the big thing is every year we have lots of prizes, and we'll go ahead and put that out there. If you're interested in donating a prize, please reach out to either Terry or myself. You can do that through, PM us through social media. I'm also on tammypowley@yahoo.com if you want to shoot me an email, TAMMYPOWLEY, and we can talk about that. So we always look for generous people out there in the doll community to donate prizes. But Terry and I, part of what we do with the proceeds, the money that we get for the passes, etc., is we buy a new in-box stock Blythe doll. And this year, who is she, Terry? Maybe you guys have guessed.
Jayla.
Yeah.
Doesn't
So
she look like a hip hop dancer?
yeah, she looks cute. She looks like a dancer already.
Yeah.
So we've got a Love Jayla doll, new in box. I've set her aside. She's actually up there. She's actually still in the shipping box even. So I kept the shipping box.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I got the whole enchilada, people. So so we've got a Love Jayla, who is one of my favorite releases. I love this doll. She's got great stock. She's wearing her pink outfit today. We both decided pink is our theme too. Pink is
Yeah.
our
Oh,
color,
yeah. Pink.
is going to be our color, that our main color. I'm wearing pink a little bit today. So
Well, I
pink,
had to wear my
um,
dance shirt,
that's
so
true.
and
You
it
did
is
have.
Mardi Gras season
Oh,
right now.
is it? Okay. So, oh, that's right. It is, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, so that's going to be the new in box Blythe stock doll that is the grand prize. You can possibly win that doll by buying a pass when they come out again about 6 weeks before the event. That's when we have them on the Kawaii Doll Shop. And in order to be able to win the doll, anybody who buys a pass, and it's one pass per person, you can't like buy 100 passes and you know, I mean, I guess you could, but you still only get one entry. It's one pass per person, and you do not have to participate in the activities in order to be able to be eligible to win JALA. All right.
Right. The only thing you
So
have to do is buy a pass. So you can
bypass,
buy a
your name's
pass
in.
and never show up
Yeah.
to the function,
Yes.
and your name is in the
Names in
drawing
the pot for the
for
JALA.
Jayla.
Right,
Hmm.
exactly. Throughout the weekend, we have all kinds of activities. We call them prize posts, and we have all kinds of activities where it's like you play games, you answer questions, you share, you just chit chat with people. And for every time you chit chat, you get a chance to possibly win a prize. And they're anything from like we get doll clothes, props, um, eye chips. I mean, you name it, we've had it. So doll jewelry, people jewelry,
Yeah, there's been patterns, like digital
patterns. Yeah,
download
that's another
patterns.
one. Patterns, digital, lots of great digital downloads, that kind of thing. We really like the digital downloads because those are everybody, nobody has to pay shipping on those.
We'll get more into this
Yeah,
when
we'll
we
talk about
talk
prizes
about
and stuff like that
that.
in
Yeah,
another video. So I think that's all the details, right, Terry?
I think so.
All right, let us know your thoughts down below. Let us know what you think about the grand prize.
Yeah,
The theme.
the
Are you
theme.
are
Yeah.
you thinking about coming? Yeah. Have you come to any of them before? This is our fifth time doing this, believe it or not.
Wow.
Yeah. I know it's hard to believe. Yeah. Fifth time we do this annually. So yeah, let's hear your thoughts down below in the comments. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to my channel here, and make sure you subscribe to, actually, she's going to be this way, Terry's channel, that I will have put in the comments down there. And yeah, have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.